Hello, my name is Joe Shepard from Shepard Chiropractic. I wanted to introduce you to my two Sheepadoodles. This is Stewart, and then Daisy also. He is 7 years old, and Daisy is 2 years old. We're going to adjust Stewart today. He's been having several problems with his right shoulder and his knee from too much roughhousing with his sister. So I'm going to kind of take you through an adjustment for Stewart. Okay, so a lot of times when he's roughhousing with his sister, they get a little too rambunctious, and what happens is he gets a little bit of an irritation in that upper right shoulder area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the adjustment of that shoulder. Okay, we're going to work on his little knee here. There we go. I know that hurt. I know. Okay, and then we're going to look at his neck here too. Okay, good boy. Okay, good boy. All done. That's it. Come on. I want to introduce you to Daisey Doolittle. She is my youngest Sheepadoodle. She is approximately 2 years old. She's always had little ear infections and little ear irritations on a regular basis. I do think it's from her being just a little bit too rambunctious from her brother, which they do get a little running around the house and playing a little bit too hard sometimes. So we're going to do an adjustment of her neck and of her back. Okay, we're going to check her neck here on the right side, which is where her neck is usually a little irritated. There we go. Okay, work on her back. Okay, good girl, good girl. She usually just kind of goes right in, real simple and easy. And work on her hips. Good girl, good girl. You're doing good, Daisy. Good girl. Sometimes she's got a little digestive issues on occasion, so, and then we're going to work on her lower back for that. Okay, and that's it. She's all set. Come on. And that concludes. Thank you very much for watching. This is the Shepherd Chiropractic, Dr. Joe, and the Sheepadoodles adjustment. Thank you.